In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how to use support and resistance to get the best entries and exits every single day. I use this for every trade I take. I always enter off support resistance levels. I always use support resistance with my price action strategy. And it's so accurate for me that we literally had a 90% win rate quarter one, a 90% win rate quarter two, and an 89% win rate quarter three. If you don't believe me, all you got to do is hit that first link in the description and join the free signal free telegram. You can see all you got to do is go to November 3rd. We scroll right here. You can see how we ended October. We went 30 wins, 4 losses. Literally took an average of 1 loss per week, giving us an 88% win rate, catching a total of 166,250 pips. You click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of the month. Everything's data timed and documented. We post to recap the day at the end of every day. We post to recap the week at the end of every week and recap the month and quarter at the end of every month and quarter. You go to October 3rd. You can see how we ended quarter 3. July, we went 17-2, catching 72,813 pips. August, we went 23-2, catching 81,274 pips. And September, we went 16-3, catching 116,127 pips. Ending the quarter 56-7, giving us an 89% win rate. We had an 89% win rate quarter 3. Then we go to July 2nd. You can see we had a 90% win rate quarter 2. And then you can see we had a 90% win rate quarter 1. So we've absolutely been killing it this year. You go to right here, you can see we've been doing this since 2022. You go to subscribers, you go down to photos, over 1,900 photos, over 4 years worth of receipts. You can see screenshots, positions, screenshots of signals. You can see student results and testimonials. We got students getting funded. We got students getting just paid in general. We've just been doing what we do over here, y'all. So make sure to hit those links in the description if you're interested in joining and learning while you earn. Let's get back into this video. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. So if y'all do not understand what support resistance is, I'm gonna have a video in the comments going over what price action and support resistance is. I'm also gonna have a video in the comments of a trade breakdown of how I use this to my advantage. Now, this doesn't just work on Forex, this works on stocks, forex, option, futures, and crypto. Every chart you can type into TradingView, every chart you can day trade, invest, or hold, all works the same exact way. So the reason why I like to enter our support resistance levels is because, as you can see, it helps give me that extra momentum and push. You want to treat support resistance levels like trampolines. You see right here how when price broke this level, held it at support, it did a push to the upside. But you also see here when price hit this resistance level, it bounced to the downside. But right here, price also bounced to the upside. So that goes into number one. A level is simply a support or resistance level depending on the direction in the market structure. A strong support level can be a strong resistance, and a strong resistance can be a strong support. So if you're in an uptrend, you only want to look for buys. But not only do you only want to look for buys if you're in an uptrend, you want to enter buys off of support levels. By doing this, not only do you have the flow of price going in your favor and direction, but when you enter off that certain level, you're going to have to push that trampoline bounce and the momentum going in your favor as well. There's a reason why when we entered off this level, price pushed to the upside, right? Same thing here, price pushed to the upside. Same thing here, price pushed to the upside. But it's also a reason why price rejected here, why price rejected here, and why price rejected here is because we're entering our support and resistance levels, okay? So if you are in a uptrend, you want to go for buys off support levels, and then you want to exit off of resistance levels, because resistance levels pushes price down. The only way price is going to continue to go up is if we turn that resistance level into a support. If we turn that resistance level into a support, right? So it's the exact opposite if we're looking for sales. If you're in a downtrend, you only want to look for sales. But not only do you only want to look for sales if we're in a downtrend, you want to enter off of resistance levels and exit off of support levels. You see here how this was a strong support level, and then here it turned into a resistance. And you see we took the sell to this support level, right? And you see here how this support level got turned into a resistance, right? So let's just do a bar replay so you can kind of see how this works, right? So we have price here treat this low as support, and then we're going to see when the volume picks up, it's going to break that support level and treat it as resistance. But peep how price, when it hit this level 3 times, it bounced to the upside. That's why you want to enter buys off support and sells off resistance, because as you're going to see here, when the volume picks up, price retests and drops to the downside. But you see here how price is treating this level as support. But then later on, when the momentum continues, price is going to break down and treat that level as a resistance. You see how that works? So again, you want to enter sells off resistance, exit off support levels. If you're in an uptrend, you want to enter buys off support and exit off resistance levels. It's literally that simple, y'all. You want to use all this manipulation people talk about, all this buying and seller pressure people talk about. Instead of complaining about it, understand how it works and use it to your advantage. And again, y'all, this stuff works literally every single day. This is real time right now, no bar replay. And you see how price turned this resistance level into a support. You see how this buy idea here to go for buys, right? And you see how here price is treating this level as resistance. So if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join a free Signal and free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my Signal service, my mentorship programs, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. If you're interested in taking your trading to the next level and learning directly from me, join Playmaker University, or I recommend scheduling a one-on-one session where profitable traders and confident traders are made. Not only are you going to get my complete strategy in video format, going over how to read the charts, how to identify my key price levels, those blue and gold lines, y'all stay asking me in the comment section, how to enter and exit trades, how to trade news, my scalping strategy, my secret buy and sell limit strategy, trading psychology, how to deal with wins and losses, how to scale into trades, how to never blow your account again, how to double your account every month. But you will also get daily analysis setups for life, student member group chat, daily trade recaps for life, exclusive New York Lives and trading plan Zooms, and y'all gonna get my famous price action technical analysis playbook that works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. And on top of that, you're going to get the trader's mindset, mastering psychology and risk management playbook that goes over leveraging risk, mastering discipline, how to never blow your account again, learn how to trust yourself while staying cool, calm, and collected. This is what helped one of my students turn $4, as you can see, yes, to $275. That is not Photoshop. You can see he's saying right here, I followed the playbook through a Hail Mary. Shout out for all you do. This is why I always say to follow the flow price and not chase price. His last dollars, he was damn near, he basically blew his account. And because he followed my teachings, trusted the playbook, he was able to turn a $4 account to almost $300 account. It's literally that simple, y'all. I made all the mistakes, so you don't have to make the mistakes. Instead, just learn from my mistakes and be successful quicker. So if you're interested in learning how to consistently not only grow your accounts, but consistent $500 to $1,000 days, click that first link in the description, watch the free trading crash course. Or if you already know you're ready to get in and lock in with me, click the link to go join Playmaker University or the one-on-one sessions, and I'll see you on the other side. Shout out to the Playmakers, man. Now, advanced play signal, we literally just had a 100% win rate last week, and this is the exact same strategy I teach in the one-on-one sessions and in Playmaker University that averages not just a 90% win rate on a weekly basis, but also on a monthly and quarterly basis as well. You see right here, 16-1, 94% win rate. You see here another 100% win rate on the week. We go to a whole nother month. You see here how we ended Q1 this year, 44-5, giving us a 90% win rate, 17-3 January, 14-1 February, March, 13-1. And if we go to how we ended last year, 2024, we literally went 181 wins, 23 losses, averaging an 89% win rate all 12 months combined, averaging less than 2 losses per month. You're not going to find any other mentorship or signal service that does stuff like this. And not only do I call accurate signals, but I give you my entry, my S cells, my TPs. I notify you when the TPs get hit. I give y'all updates in the trades, and I drop a New York price watch list showing y'all what price is doing in that trade we're in, as well as what to expect and anticipate going into New York session, as well as other possible setups going into New York session. I go over whether you should look for buys or sells. I go over specific price points and all of that good stuff, y'all. And you'll also get the advanced play signaling for completely free when you sign up and apply for one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions, I make sure you earn while you learn. So not only do I teach my exact same strategy on a Zoom call on the charts just like this, but you get one session a week. Each session is an hour long, recorded and sent to you the same day. Those recordings are yours to keep for life, y'all. So you definitely get a huge return on investment, as well as you get access to the student member group chat and the advanced play signal room. So be interested in your trading to the next level. You know exactly what to do. Hit those links in the description, y'all. If you want to contact me directly, you can DM me on Instagram, TikTok, or Telegram. I respond to all messages. See y'all in the university, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace. We out.